Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for March, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Step 1. Cover your page with tissue or napkins. Step 2. Add gesso or paint with a baby wipe. Step 3. Make marks over your page. Step 4. Add texture with paste or embossing powder. Step 5. Add a focal image or 2 or 3. Step 6. Add metallic, shimmer splatters or drips. Step 8. Add a quote, phrase or title. And finally, Step 8. Create a contrasting border or frame. Your suggested colour scheme for March is terracotta, cream and navy blue. And your words for inspiration are wonder, attitude, opportunity, progress and grid. And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.